Hello guys, good morning. Hala kakuyo sa mga background. Actually, we're going for a quick holiday to Tauranga. Me and my family and our friends. So yeah, this vacation is good. I si Vladimir and Riley, 9 months old, then going to the Rotoroa Church. Then nagstambay pa mi din sa Taupo guys. Kaya isang driver. So you know, yan si Vladimir kamang-kamang mo di mong balay day. Ya, ang among usa ka family wa man na
Oh,
kuya.
madam.
So nagpadala na siya lumpia. Ya Mount Maunanggal. Mount Malungawi. Riley, are you enjoying the sun? Wow, very nice. So amazing. And walking, going to the park. And yeah, we are enjoying our vacation. Actually, it's just a quick one, guys. Actually, this is just after New Year, and then yeah, we have planned that one. So it's been a long plan. Oh, actually, it's not a long plan. It's just a what you call this? Diretsohan ba? Diretsohan ng gala ba? Walay plano-plano.